Hello everyone, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. Today we're going to explore an intriguing topic, the power of a genuine smile in enhancing your confidence in English conversation and presentation. A smile isn't just a simple gesture, it's a universal language that everyone understands. But how does a smile relate to learning English, you may wonder? Well, it turns out, a genuine smile is more than just a facial expression. It's a powerful communication tool that can boost your confidence, make your conversations more engaging, and even improve your presentation skills. By mastering the art of genuine smiling, you're not only making your English learning journey more enjoyable, but also more effective. So, are you ready to uncover the secret behind this simple yet powerful tool? Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of smiles and English communication. Firstly, a genuine smile acts as a confidence booster. But how does it do that, you may ask? Let's dive into the science of it. When we smile, our brain releases a cocktail of chemicals, including endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin. These are often referred to as feel-good hormones. They act as natural painkillers and mood lifters, making us feel happier. Now imagine carrying this happiness into your English conversation or presentation. It can be a game changer, right? Think of it this way. You're standing in front of people, ready to begin your English presentation. The audience is waiting and you're feeling nervous. At this moment, you decide to take a deep breath and smile. Not a forced one, but a genuine smile. You feel the rush of endorphins, making you feel more relaxed. This feeling of happiness and relaxation can give you that much-needed confidence boost. But a smile isn't just about the chemicals it releases in your brain. It's also about perception. When you smile, you appear more confident and comfortable. This is a powerful tool in communication. People are naturally drawn to those who seem confident and comfortable in what they're doing. They're more likely to listen and engage with you. In an English conversation, a smile can break down barriers. It can make the conversation more relaxed and enjoyable. For the listener, a smile can be a sign of warmth and friendliness. It can make them more receptive to what you're saying. It can make them feel that you're confident in your English skills, even if you're still learning. A smile can also make your English presentation more engaging. It can make the audience feel that you're confident in what you're presenting. It can make them more likely to pay attention and engage with your presentation. So, what's the takeaway here? Smiling, when genuine, is a powerful confidence booster. It can make you feel happier and more confident. It can also make you appear more confident and comfortable, which can make the listener more receptive. Thus, a genuine smile can significantly boost your confidence during English conversation and presentation. So, the next time you're feeling nervous about an English conversation or presentation, remember to smile. It might just be the confidence boost you need. Secondly, a genuine smile is a universal language that helps to build rapport. It's that simple yet profound connection that can make all the difference in your English conversations and presentations. Imagine for a moment you walk into a room full of strangers, ready to engage in English conversation. Now what's the first thing you do? You smile. That's right. A warm, genuine smile can immediately break the ice and make you appear approachable. It's an open invitation saying, "Hey, I'm friendly. I'm open to conversation." This is especially crucial when you are giving a presentation. Your audience, whether it be an individual or a group, needs to feel that they can connect with you. A genuine smile can help to establish that connection. It signals to your audience that you are not just a speaker, but a friend. This can make them more receptive to your message and more likely to engage in meaningful conversation. But there's more to it than just appearing friendly. A genuine smile can also make you seem trustworthy. In the world of communication, trust is king. When people trust you, they are more likely to listen to what you have to say and take it to heart. So, by flashing a genuine smile, you are essentially saying, "I'm someone you can trust." And what does all this lead to? rapport, that beautiful, harmonious relationship between speaker and listener. A relationship that's built on mutual understanding and trust. And when you have rapport, confidence naturally follows. You feel more at ease, more in control, and more assured of your ability to communicate effectively in English. So think about it. That one genuine smile, combined with your English skills, can make you a more approachable, friendly, and trustworthy individual. It can help you build rapport, making your conversations and presentations more engaging and effective. So, by helping to build rapport, a genuine smile can make your English conversations and presentations more effective. Thirdly, did you know that a genuine smile can help to reduce nervousness? It's true. Smiling has a profound effect on our mood and overall well-being. It's not just about appearing friendly or approachable. It's about harnessing the power of positivity to steer our emotions in a favorable direction. When we smile, our brain releases a cocktail of feel-good chemicals, including dopamine, endorphins, and serotonin. These natural substances work together to lift our spirits, reduce stress, and even alleviate pain. The physical act of smiling sends a signal to our brain that we're happy, and in turn, our brain pumps out these happiness hormones. It's a wonderful, self-perpetuating cycle. Now think about how this applies to English conversations and presentations. For many of us, speaking a second language or standing up in front of an audience can be daunting. The fear of making a mistake, of not being understood, or of being judged can trigger feelings of nervousness. But what if we could use a genuine smile to help keep those nerves in check? When you're feeling nervous, try to remember to smile. Not only will your genuine smile make you appear more confident and engaging, but it will also help to relax your body and mind. As those happiness hormones start to flow, you'll notice a decrease in your heart rate and a loosening of those tense muscles. You'll start to feel calmer, more focused, and more in control. The beauty of this technique is that it's simple and it's immediate. You don't need any special equipment or preparation. All you need is your smile. And the more you practice, the more natural it will become. So the next time you're feeling nervous about an English conversation or presentation, remember to smile. Remember the power of positivity that comes with a genuine smile. Let it relax your body, calm your mind, and boost your confidence. Hence, a genuine smile can act as a calming mechanism during your English conversations and presentations, improving your overall performance. To sum up, a genuine smile is a powerful tool in English conversation and presentation. Remember how we discussed that a smile can significantly boost your confidence? When you smile, you radiate positivity and self-assurance, making you more approachable and engaging to your listeners. Moreover, we've explored the role of a smile in building rapport. It's a universal language that breaks down barriers, fostering a sense of trust and understanding. This can be particularly useful in English conversations, making them smoother and more enjoyable. And let's not forget how a smile can help alleviate nervousness. By smiling, you trick your brain into a happier state, easing anxiety and promoting a more relaxed demeanor. These benefits combined can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, the next time you're having an English conversation or giving a presentation, remember to flash your best, most genuine smile. It might just be the confidence boost you need. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next lesson.